Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day if you're all about going out, but if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with my Anastasia Dip Brow in Chocolate, kind of like so I can clean up the bottom wall before I do my foundation. Okay, so once my eyebrows are done, well, the bottom of it, I like to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Concealer in light medium. And I use the concealer as a primer. Then I go in with the BH Cosmetics mini sponge and I blend that in. And then right afterwards I set it with my airspun Miss Glam Small Contour W07 and it looks like that. So once both of my eyes are primed, I will go ahead and go right in with the eyeshadows. Okay, so I just did my left eye. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do this eye. I started off with my Kat Von D Mi Vida Loca palette, color Destroyer, which is this color right here. And I'm using the AOA E104 brush. So once that is on there, I'm gonna go in with the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna take the C330 Pro Blending Crease Brush from Crown Brush. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. So once that color is in the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go in with Love Letter. With the same brush, I'm gonna go in and deepen that same color that I just put in from the BH Cosmetics palette. And winging it out a little. Now I'm going to take some concealer again. I'm going to put it in the back of my hand and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm going to look straight forward like that. Now I just like to fill in the rest. Setting that concealer, I'm going to use two eyeshadows. I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics palette and I'm going to be taking this color right here and this color right here. Now once you see that the whole lid is set, you're going to want to go in with some glue. I am going to be using the Too Faced glitter glue. I'm going to be using this glitter right here. So for the glue, I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand once again. And then I'm going to take a kind of like flat brush. So what I'm going to do is put the glitter on my lid. I'm going to go ahead and put the glitter right on top of the glue. So now for the outer corner, I'm going to go back into the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be taking this purple BH Cosmetics 4 brush. I'm going to go in with eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Jafra Inkwell liner in black. We're gonna go in with lashes, and I'm gonna be using these that I got from my beauty supply store. So now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara on my top lashes. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face. Start off by priming my face with the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Smoothing Face Primer. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my nose. Once I'm done with the LA Girl Primer, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Too Faced Primer. I'm going to put that all where I didn't put the other primer. For today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 228. I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge and going in. For concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the same one that we've been using all video, which is a L'Oreal True Match in Light Medium. Highlight the highest points of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour with the Black Radiance Under Eye Concealer in 8003. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the yellow powder. Going with this brush, the small contour brush, I'm going to use it to set my under eyes. With my Real Techniques multitask brush and my Bare Minerals powder, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with the matte outside. Now going back into the Kat Von D palette, going in with the lightest one first. I'm using the Real Techniques mini contour brush. And then with the last color, I'm going to go in very lightly. Highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Unicorn Glow palette with Dream and Stardust. For my brow bone, I'm going to go into the Anastasia palette and I'm going to go in with Vermeer. Love Letter on my lower lash line, and I'm going to use the AOA E105. I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyebrows. Using the Stila lip glaze in Cranberry. I need to put mascara on my lower lashes, and I'm going to be using the same mascara I used for my top lashes. For the last step is going to be setting my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. So there you guys have it. This is how I achieved this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.